This one is really cute. And I'm wondering, okay, here, I'm glad I have this one out. So this one, I'm not even going to tell you, I'm going to show you. One of our most popular in the world club sets was the koala. Look at this house. This house is in this set. So what are you getting? You are getting the house folded. You're getting the house folded. The two critters, you're getting a raccoon. Margaret, I hope you're seeing this. A raccoon and a little bear. You're getting little bricks because I just wanted to add little bricks. Of course, a handy dandy postcard. You are also getting the photopolymer, my loves. These are photopolymer. Yep, Sarah used them when she taught kindergarten. Yes, we did, huh? Okay, photopolymer stamps. And you guys all know, if you know, you know, photopolymer is the way to go. No, go, that rhymes. If you know, photopolymer is the way to go. Kind of too long to rhyme though, but it does rhyme. So there we go. Oh yes, yeah, 350, easy, right? Easy. So here, this one is really fun. Let's go back to this one. So we have just moved. Welcome for people that are new to your neighborhood. You have a special spot in my heart. Best buds, and you're my bestie. We have a little bear and a little raccoon. Don't forget, I give you the inside dies and the shadow dies. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7 dies here. You're getting the shadow die and the inside die to die cut this. But as you can see, other critters go with it. Other critters go with it. Now, we are calling this, Kelly, you were right. You were right. She said it's a little house, but really it looks like a hut. I will be honest with you. I kind of think it looks like a hut too. It's like, which is kind of better because, or a cottage, right? Because like critters don't live in a house. They live in a cottage or a hut or something like that. I really like that word better, those words better, because it really isn't a house, but I called it a house originally, so we have to call it a house. But you're right. You're absolutely right. So here we go. Cottage. Yes, Jan said cottage. Yes. Oh, should have a pig and a wolf too, Sarah said. You're right. You're right. Look at this one, you guys. Just moved. Imagine if you ever move, you could give this to somebody and tell them your new address. Isn't that cute? There's the cute little bricks. Love that. Oh, are you kidding? Oh, are you kidding? Is that beautiful or what? Peace with all the glitter paper. Isn't that fun? Open that up. There is your card. Remember, this is a folded card. Folded cards are so dang easy. Or don't use the house or hut at all. Use, the gnome. The gnome. That would be cute for the gnomes. Oh my gosh, you guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. Perfect for our little gnomies, huh? Oh my gosh. I love when we get to visit like this because then you guys throw out ideas and then I get even more ideas. You're absolutely right. So all of our little gnomies and gnomettes that are on the Stamps of Life website are screaming to live here. They are screaming to live here. A gingerbread house, Tony said. Yes, it would be very cute as a gingerbread house. So let's go back here. But look how cute. You can do just the little guys, right? Just the little guys if you want. Or do the house with, look, congrats. There's our little balloon. Isn't that fun? Little balloon. There we have our cute little house, all paper piece. So cute. I love it. Write your little message on the inside. Oh, here's another Christmas one, a Christmas house. Isn't that adorable? Look at the fun little shrubs in the front. Look at hang on, let me show you this one. The little shrubs in the front are so cute. Aren't they cute? Just like little zigzaggy shrubs. Now this one is really cute. This is, Leslie made this, but it's a little canvas and I don't want to take it apart because it's going to go on the air. But look how cute to make a little canvas. This is from the stencil, the heart stencil. You have a special spot in my heart with the cute little raccoon. Isn't that cute with the little easel on it? Now, last but not least, again, you don't have to use the house. Just use the cute little guys. And I'm excited to show you even more ideas from our design team on ways to use this. I have tons more ideas. Oh, Marianne's using the pumpkin flip it right now. Love it. Love it. But there's tons more ideas on our website. I'm going to show more on Tuesday, but there's tons more in our brand new gallery on our website. Brand new gallery on our website. So you're going to scan this or just go to the HSN tab at the top of my website and scroll down. All the gallery albums are down there. So if you're not into the scan, totally get it. There's nothing worse than going to a restaurant than making you scan it for the menu. But if you want to scan, you can. If not, just go to the website, stampsoflife.com, click on HSN and scroll down all the ideas. Pudgies would work in here. Perfect. Bakery bears. Love colors, bakery bears. Yes. 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 Absolutely. Bakery bears. So there we go. There's our cute little guys. Oh, this is a shaker. I don't know if I showed you this was a shaker, but look how cute that little is. How fun. You're my bestie. Isn't that cute? I totally love that. Oh, and you get adhesive sheets. I managed to throw those in there all the time. A mini album. That would be an awesome mini album. This is called the House Folded Die with Critters. Item number 912361. And I am just going to drop all of those in there so I do not lose them because they are going on the airplane with me. And again, photopolymer. Okay, so now we are going to move those off to the side. Make sure you give us a heart and a thumbs up. We're going to have we're going to have a chat contest. You don't, you're just going to be able to enter into the chat for a chance to win. So just make sure you give us your thumbs ups and your likes and your shares and all that good stuff. Now, I can totally see the peeking critters in this little house, you guys. I could totally see them in this house. Like you could open the door and have them hiding back there. I would love that. Okay.